Are you tired of noisy, wobbly beds that ruin your rest? A sturdy, stylish metal bed frame can make all the difference in your sleep quality and bedroom vibe. That's why today we're reviewing the 5 best metal bed frames available on Amazon right now. Each option delivers strength, comfort, and design you'll love. Don't forget to check the description for links. Let's dive in. Starting our countdown at number 5, the Yaheetech Victorian style brings timeless elegance to your bedroom with its intricate iron art design. This frame captures that classic Victorian aesthetic with decorative headboard and footboard elements that transform any space into something special and sophisticated. The platform design eliminates the need for a box spring while providing excellent underbed storage clearance for your belongings. The heavy-duty metal construction ensures this frame will serve you reliably for years, supporting your mattress with consistent stability and proper weight distribution across the entire surface. Assembly is surprisingly straightforward despite the ornate appearance, with clear instructions and all necessary hardware included in the package. The frame accommodates standard mattress sizes perfectly, creating that elevated bedroom look you want without complicated installation or professional assembly requirements. What makes this stand out is the attention to decorative detail that doesn't compromise functionality. The Victorian styling adds character and personality to your bedroom while maintaining the practical benefits of modern platform bed engineering and reliable sleep support. The main consideration is the decorative elements may collect dust more easily than minimalist designs. However, for those wanting bedroom furniture with personality and classic appeal, this frame offers exceptional style and solid construction at a reasonable price point. At number 4, the Zinus Abel metal platform represents incredible value engineering, delivering years of reliable service for under $100. This frame proves that budget-friendly doesn't mean compromising on quality, offering the essential features most sleepers actually need in their bedroom furniture. The steel slat support system provides excellent mattress foundation without requiring additional box spring purchases, saving you money while delivering proper support. The minimalist design works seamlessly with any decor style, from modern apartments to traditional bedrooms, without overwhelming your space. Zinus backs this frame with an impressive 5-year warranty, demonstrating their confidence in the construction quality and long-term durability. The noise-free engineering eliminates those frustrating squeaks and creaks that can disrupt sleep, ensuring peaceful nights for both you and your partner. Assembly is designed to be user-friendly, with clear instructions that most people can follow without professional help or special tools. The frame ships efficiently and sets up quickly, getting your bedroom functional without lengthy delays or complicated processes. The consideration here is the basic feature set. While reliable, it lacks storage headboards or charging stations found in premium models. However, for sleepers prioritizing solid construction and proven durability over extras, this frame delivers exceptional long-term value. Taking the 3rd spot, Amazon Basics metal bed frame revolutionizes assembly with its innovative tool-free click-together design. This frame transforms the typically frustrating setup process into something actually manageable, letting you have your new bed ready in minutes rather than hours of wrestling with complicated hardware. The 6-leg support system provides superior stability and weight distribution compared to standard 4-leg designs. This engineering approach ensures even mattress support across the entire surface while preventing sagging or uneven wear patterns that can compromise sleep quality and mattress longevity over time. What sets this apart is the fold-flat storage capability, making it perfect for people who move frequently or need occasional guest sleeping solutions. The frame unfolds quickly when needed and stores compactly when not in use, offering flexibility that traditional rigid frames simply cannot match. The budget-friendly pricing makes quality sleep accessible without breaking your household budget. Amazon's reputation for customer service and easy returns adds peace of mind to your purchase, knowing you have support if any issues arise with your frame. The main consideration is the basic aesthetic. While functional, it lacks the decorative elements or premium finishes found in higher-end options. However, for practical sleepers wanting reliable support with hassle-free setup, this frame excels in delivering essential functionality. Securing second place, the Likimio king size transforms your bed into a modern charging station with built-in USB ports and outlets integrated directly into the headboard. This frame addresses real bedroom needs, combining sleep support with convenient device charging and storage solutions. The storage headboard features practical shelving and compartments that eliminate bedside table clutter while keeping essentials within easy reach. This design maximizes your bedroom's functionality, especially valuable in smaller spaces where every inch of storage matters for maintaining organization and clean aesthetics. Heavy-duty metal construction ensures this frame supports both your mattress and the additional weight of stored items without compromising stability. The engineering focuses on long-term durability while maintaining the noise-free operation that prevents sleep disruptions from movement or shifting throughout the night. The contemporary aesthetic works perfectly with modern bedroom decor, creating a cohesive look that appears far more expensive than the actual price point. Assembly instructions are clear and straightforward, with most customers completing setup without professional assistance or special tools. The consideration is the integrated electronics require careful handling during assembly, and potential future repairs may be more complex. However, for tech-savvy sleepers wanting convenience and modern functionality, this frame offers exceptional integration of comfort and connectivity. Taking the #1 position, the Cerlin 14-inch metal platform bed frame strikes the ideal balance of durability, functionality, and modern design, making it our top recommendation. Built with a sturdy all-metal structure enhanced by wooden headboard and footboard accents, this frame delivers both strength and style, instantly upgrading any bedroom into a more polished and cozy space. The 14-inch height provides exceptional underbed storage capacity, essentially adding a free storage solution to your bedroom. This clearance accommodates storage bins, seasonal items, and extra linens while maintaining easy access for cleaning and organization underneath your sleeping area. What elevates this frame above competitors is the noise-free design with non-slip technology that eliminates mattress sliding and squeaking issues. The engineering focuses on peaceful sleep, ensuring movement doesn't create disturbances that wake you or your partner during the night. The no-box spring requirement saves additional expense while providing proper mattress support across all standard sizes. Assembly is refreshingly straightforward, with clear instructions that have most customers complete setup in under an hour, without professional help or special tools required. The consideration is the combination materials require slightly more maintenance than all-metal alternatives. However, for sleepers wanting premium appearance, excellent storage, and reliable construction, this frame offers the best overall package for creating your ideal bedroom setup. These 5 metal bed frames stand out as the top choices available today, with each one offering unique strengths, whether it's durability, style, or easy assembly. Be sure to check the description for updated prices and availability. Remember, great sleep starts with the right foundation.